have our Father Christmas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Natasya R1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3 Christmas healthy desserts. How to stay healthy during the festive season. We've got some amazing recipes coming up and it's so easy and affordable. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take the coconut cream. We're going to certainly take a saucepan, put it on some high heat. Okay, as you can see, got my saucepan, and we're going to add some coconut cream. You probably need about 100 ml of coconut cream to about 50 grams of dark chocolate discs. You put it into a fridge to freeze for about 3 hours, or you can leave it overnight to get it super firm and a beautiful, rich and creamy consistency. So in order to make this beautiful green icing or frosting, you need to take some mascarpone cheese. You need about 250 grams, and take the remaining balance of your coconut cream and icing sugar along with green food coloring or green matcha if you'd like. Put that all together into a food processor and mix it all together, and you're gonna get your amazing green icing. And so when you guys are done, we literally can ice it the way you'd like it and put in some beautiful candy cane sweets if you'd like to add a little bit more calories, or leave it out if you want to, or sprinkles as a healthier alternative. Take a look. So we first start off with the balloon molds for the chocolate filled bowls. So as you can see, we basically take chocolate discs, melt them into a saucepan, right, with a little bit of butter or ghee if you prefer, or coconut oil. And then we pretty much take the balloons, and we take the balloon and we blow it up and put it as a mold. You will pop the balloon to release the mold of the chocolate bowl. So here we go. A little bit distance from you, and pop. Basically take coconut cream, vanilla essence or extract, put it into a bowl. You're going to add the vanilla cream into the chocolate bowl. Look at that. Glazed cherries, and pretty much put that onto your bowl. And for decorations, I also have these cute little Santas, which are like edible chocolate or icing Santas, which you can put onto your ice cream as well. So let's do it. We've got our ice cream scooper. Now we are ready with the dessert, and we're going to basically scoop our ice cream onto our cone. So now we're going to begin our healthy vegan coconut cream ice cream. Okay, so let's begin. So you need your coconut cream, probably about 400 ml again, and all you need is some green matcha or red food coloring and vanilla extract if you want to add that extra zing to your dessert. So let's begin. So let's take the coconut cream and pour that, okay, and mix it with the food coloring that I've already added. So as you can see, it is changing color and it looks absolutely amazing. So you could use red or cream. As you can see, pink, sorry. As you can see, it's become really pink. All right, so the first scoop is the pink one. So we've got our pink, as you can see. Let's go for it. So we're now going to add our beautiful sprinkles. So you can see. And we have our Father Christmas.